You're in the air, yeah. Yo, wait, hold on. Carl, take a look at this.
Dang, this is mad sketch.
Brother's getting electrical gremlin. We're here at Anthracite today, doing some wheeling for the first time this year. Yeah, we'll make some coffee, breakfast, and get to hitting the trails. That's it. This is about the size of a little phone when you take it apart. So I have all 4 tires hooked up to my air system. See, it's 38. Time to inflate. We're going to be hitting our first blue. Let's just walk it real quick. This one's gonna be rough. Slightly. All right, go.
This first run was actually not too bad. There were a lot of loose rocks, a little bit off camber, but definitely having the right line and a very good spotter made this one very manageable.
All right. Passenger. Your back wheel's gonna climb. That works. You're good, you're climbed. Easy. You're gonna hit your sliders right now.
Okay.
Your back wheel's gonna start climbing now. You climbed it.
Love it.
First day driving manual over here, this guy.
Alright, we'll see how my Land Cruiser goes.
It's
with
gonna
no
be
lockers.
interesting. It's gonna be interesting.
Driver.
Straight. Go. There you go, you're clear. You're gonna drive over the stump. You're driving over the stump. Go. Send it. There you go. You're all right. It's only your hitch.
My brother's 80 series Land Cruiser is definitely a beast.
Easy.
Look at this thing go. This makes me excited to take my 80 series out. It's still currently in work, so just stand by. It will take a little bit of time. But my next video, I'll highlight some of the work that I've done so far.
Oh boy. Yo, wait, hold on. Carl, take a look at this.
Yeah, I see it's on its axle housing, isn't it?
So let's take a look again. I think if my brother was further out on the passenger side, and if he deflated his tire just a little bit more, he probably would have been able to climb over that rock and not slide to the driver's side and get hung up on his axle housing.
I see. We just need to climb this. Already back up, maybe like 5 inches. All right. So we'll just stack rocks. Climbing. Keep going. Up. Passenger. There you go. Go work.
Driver.
That wasn't too bad. And this is actually why I like four-wheeling, because it engages everybody. We have a spotter and we have everybody else help the person get unstuck. So now it's Shazam's turn. He has this IFS Hummer, and you can see also how the IFS actually tilts the body of the truck right away as opposed to the solid axles.
Oh, you have diff lockers, right? Rear? You probably actually don't need to bump it. You can just turn on your diff locker at the rear and then just climb on the driver's side slightly. Driver, a little bit, driver. Yep. See if you climb that. Yep, that's it. You're clear. Yeah, that's your hitch.
Right, go straight. Passenger a little bit. Straighten up. Yeah, you're good. Keep coming towards me.
Having lockers on these loose rocks definitely helps. And I think if I had to pick one, either the front or the rear, especially for the Tacoma, I'll prioritize the front lockers over the rear.
Driver's side, slowly.
Yep. Got it. Oh, that was perfect. There you go. You're a little high centered. You should be able to bump it. There you go.
Never mind, you were pretty close to hitting the tree. Pretty good.
You're good. Go closer to the driver's side. You might drop a little slowly. Oh, you're good. Now turn, go straight, then turn slightly to passenger. Keep going. Turn slightly to passenger. You're actually rubbing in the fender. Nice.
Here you see the IFS tilt the body right away as I'm driving down this path.
Careful.
My front, yo.
It looks good. Just go really slow.
I think the front might be floating on the passenger side.
No, you're floating on the rear driver. So go really slow. Rear driver should drop slowly. Keep going. Just go really slow. Take it slow. Lock it on passenger. Yeah. Go really slow. Dang, this is mad sketch. It's funny. You're good. Wow.
Straight.
My brother took a similar line, but as you can see, when his passenger front tire drops, the body of his truck stays pretty level. That's definitely a huge advantage because it keeps his truck as level as possible and reduces the chance of tip over.
Except for that. Go driver. More driver. Now go passenger.
And again, you see right here the IFS body tilt.
Real slow. Hard passenger. All right, stop right there. Yeah, keep it on passenger slightly and then just lock your rear diff. Now passenger slowly. There you go. Passenger. All right there. That's good. Keep going. Nice. That's good. You're in the air. Yeah. There you go. Keep going slowly. Just follow this the curve of the road. Yeah, there you go. That's a nice flex. There goes their shackle. Brother's getting electrical gremlins. Blowing some air into, I guess, that ignition coil.
Yeah, I think that should be it. So, we've been hanging out at the campsite, guys. Right now, the temperature's dropping. The weather has been so inaccurate. And we're gonna have brats on a stick. And probably chicken broccoli. A little bit nicer today. Should warm up a little bit more too. So, another day of wheeling. Having some coffee now. Artie's gonna make breakfast, and then I think we're also leaving his truck here. He's having the electrical issue. He said he ordered a fuel pump, but yeah, well, it's definitely better not to risk having his truck get stuck.
And so we started the day with more mud.
You're good. Just lock it driver's side. There you go. Nice.
Yep, this was definitely way too deep, and we would have all gotten stuck.
All right, I think that's a wrap, guys. It was definitely a successful weekend. No one broke down too badly, and Artie's able to drive his truck home. He's actually behind me right now. So it was a very successful weekend, definitely, and hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button while you're at it. Until next time, peace out, everybody.